Hello. Hello everyone. This is Joy speaking from China. I'm working for Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics. Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics is a leading manufacturer of geomembranes, geotextiles, geogrease, and geocels ethic. We have been in this industry with over 20 years experience. Dajin Geosynthetics is the leading professional supplier in China. We are supplying geomembranes behind me, HDP geomembrane, LLDP geomembrane, also the geotextiles, also behind me on the shelf, include the non-woven geotextile and the woven geotextile. The non-woven geotextile we can do from PET and PP material. For the woven geotextile, we have PP and PET materials too. So let me introduce one by one for you. Firstly, let me introduce our company, Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics. Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics is a manufacturer located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. Our materials are mainly applied in oil and gas, mining, landfill, water reservoir, tunnels, road construction, aquaculture and agriculture industry. We have been in this industry with over 20 years experience. So also our factory covers an area over 310,000 square meters. We own 3 production lines of HDP geomembrane, 1 production line of extrusion production, and another production line for the textile geomembrane production. Also, we have the geotextile production lines for PET filament and PP filament, and 1 production line of GCL ethic. So upon these production lines, we can meet we could supply as many as materials to meet our clients' needs. This is about our company culture. Be responsible for the environment to provide superior service to our clients and be responsible for our family and for ourselves. This is also our mission. You can see these are many activities we have held before. We visited our clients. We held many activities to protect the environment. About the quality. About our product's quality, Dajin Geosynthetics has gained CE and ISO certificates. Include the CE geotextile and CE geomembrane, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 ethic. We gained these other CE and ISO manufacturer certificate. Also, we have the test reports for our products, include the SGS or Intertech test report of our geomembranes and geotextiles. So we guarantee our clients a super good quality. You can say this is our workshop or our production lines. During the production, we have the testing equipment in the workshop to test the quality of the products first before loading. So if you are worried about the quality of the goods, we'll show you the test results in our workshop. Here is our project cases. We have done many projects to our clients. On the other hand, our clients are satisfied with our products. They are happy to buy from us and no complaint yet. Sorry. You can see our projects covers an area from the landfill, from the reservoir, from lagoon, from biogas to mining, tilling, agriculture, irrigation pond, and also the aquaculture industry ethic. So far we have exported to over 60 countries and helped hundreds of clients to finish their projects in their country and their destination country. So we are experienced in supplying the geosynthetics materials. Please, if you are interested, you can tell us your projects, then we could discuss more together. You can see this one is the non-woven geotextile. This one is PET filament geotextile, non-woven tape, non-woven geotextile, PET filament. You can see the fiber. Also from the color, you can see it is pure white. You see it is very clean and pure white. So this is from good material. Some geotextile are not, looks a little dark. Not this kind of white. This is very brand new white color. 大地 Geosynthetics supplies the non-woven geotextile with PET, polyester material, and PP material, polypropylene. This one is PET geotextile. Also, we supply the geotextile with non-woven tape and woven tape. So first time, I will introduce the non-woven geotextile. This one is PET filament geotextile. For this geotextile, we can do from 100 to 800 GSM. Sorry, it means from 100 grams to 800 grams per square meter. This is the one of the specs of the non-woven geotextile. Regularly, we measure the non-woven geotextile from the first of the material. It is PET, polyester, or PP. And then we measure this according to the weight. How many grams per square meter? This one it is not marked. It is around 600 grams per square meter. The width is the measurement, is one of the measurements. Meanwhile, we can also measure it through the thickness. This one is almost 5 to 8 mm thickness. Other technical details of the nonwoven geotextile includes the tensile strength, the CBR, and the water permeability, opening size, roll size, etc. 大径 supplies the nonwoven geotextile. The weight we can do from 100 grams to 800 grams per square meter. For the roll size, the roll width first, it is 1 to 6 meters. For the roll length, no limits. We can do from 30 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, 200 meters, no problem. Our regular roll size package is like this, roll size. Regular roll size is 5.8 by 100 meters. 5.8 by 100 meters. We can also do it 6 by 100 meters. About the width, we can do from 1 to 6 meters, which means we can do 1 meters, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters. 6 meters is the max width we can do now. This one is PET filament geotextile. For the PP geotextile, it is the same thing. Just the material is different. It is made of PP. For the roll size, all the same. The geotextile weight, all the same. For now, the main color of the nonwoven geotextile we're doing is white color. If you require special colors like green color, brown color, or black color, please contact us freely. Then we can discuss together to know the quantity, the MOQ, and the specs of the special colors geotextile. So that is special production customization. So please contact us ahead. You could email us and leave messages to us or call us directly. We'll respond to you as soon as possible. This nonwoven geotextile is widely used for road construction, for soil reinforcement and stabilization, also for the filtration as a filter layer. For example, it is used for the road construction, for soil reinforcement. Because if we don't use the nonwoven geotextile as a reinforcement layer, when you build a road, it is mixed with sands, rocks, soils, etc. If you don't use the nonwoven geotextile as a reinforcement layer, after a long time of the usage, the sands, the road will drop down. So that will cause the traffic problems. So the nonwoven geotextile is more and more popular in road construction projects. What's more, the nonwoven geotextile is very low cost and very easy installation. So it is very easy to install the geotextile. For example, our regular grams of the geotextile is 100 GSM, 150 GSM, 200 GSM, 300 GSM, or 400 GSM, or 600 GSM attic. That's not very heavy, so the workers can move it easily. This is about the non-woven geotextile. If you have any questions, please leave your messages below. Thank you. Let's see this one. This one is different, right? Let me show you the difference. This is non-woven tape, non-woven geotextile. You see? It is like this. Oh. You see, this is woven geotextile. You get the difference? This is non-woven. This is woven. It is like the clothes fabric. You see, it has the break direction. It has two directions. Break strength, two directions. For this one we usually measured it by the tensile strength. For this one is 300 kN to 50 kN. We measure it by the tensile strength. Of course, we can do the tensile strength from 20 to 20 kN or 30 to 30 kN, or like 600 to 50 kN, 600 to 100 kN attic. This one is measured. This one also has the standard quality. Let me show you the difference. This one is 300 to 50 kN tensile strength. For this one is 600 to 50 kN. This is kN per meter. Firstly, the higher the strength is, the thicker the geotextile is. You see, they are different thickness. Apparently, this one is much better. But it doesn't mean the higher price it is, the better it is. It depends on your projects. Okay. we need to choose one suitable geotextile according to your project's requirements. If it is simply as a filtration layer, or if it is a protection layer of the project, then we can use just 50 to 50 or 30 to 30 km per meter is enough. It depends on your project requirements, okay? If your project manager told you we require a high tensile strength of the geotextile, the woven geotextile. Also, it has a clearly technical detail requirement that we must do it according to the requirements. Like this one is 600 to 8 to 50, 600 to 50 km per meter. This is for the custom projects. Both these two are PET woven geotextile. PET woven geotextile. Also, we have the PP woven geotextile. PP woven geotextile are mostly black color. PP woven geotextile is also according to the project requirements. This one is 120 to 120 km per meter. This is PP woven geotextile, 120 to 120 km per meter. For the UV resistance, PP is not as good as PET does. But for the acid resistance, PP is better than PET. For the UV resistance, PP is not as good as PET. For the acid resistance, alkali resistance, PP is better than PET. So this is also upon your project requirements. PP woven geotextile is more specially used for bank protection, or say coastal protection, or some port construction and seaside construction ethic, because it has high acid and alkali resistance. This is PP geotextile. No matter it is woven geotextile or non-woven geotextile, we need to know the specs we are looking for. The main color of these two geotextile are white. White color is the main color. And for the woven geotextile, we do the roll size. Regular roll size is 3.5 by maybe 500 meters, 3.5 by 1,000 meters, or 5.2 by 100 meters, or 5.2 by 200 meters. We could custom the roll size according to the project's requirements. This one, the geotextile width is more available. For the woven geotextile, it is regular roll width is 3.5 meters and 2.5 meters and 5.2 meters. These three different widths. For the non-woven geotextile, for the moment, 120 GP, 120 feet container can load 3 tons to 4 tons. For the non-woven geotextile, 120 feet container can load 3 tons to 4 tons. For the 40 feet container, it can load the non-woven geotextile around 7 tons to 8 tons. This upon different roll size and quantity and different specs. So we need to confirm the quantity and the specs you need first, then we can help you prepare the quotation. For the woven geotextile, 120 feet container can load around 12 to 13 tons. 12 to 13 tons. For the 40 feet container can load the woven geotextile around 25 tons to 27 tons. So upon this data, you can know how many containers you need to buy and how to arrange the delivery ethic. About the delivery time, for the non-woven geotextile, delivery time is within 1 week because we can produce the non-woven geotextile around 20 tons per day. So it is very fast and convenient production. If you want to order several containers of the non-woven geotextile, it is no problem. We could deliver the goods within 2 weeks. Very fast delivery time. For the shipping time, please tell us your destination port. Then we can help you check the shipping cost from our Qingdao port to your destination port to check the best shipping price for you to save your shipping cost too. For the woven geotextile, we can deliver the goods. This is a little slow, so we could deliver the goods regularly from 15 days to 2 months. This is also upon the order quantity. If you order 120 feet container of the woven geotextile, we could deliver the goods around 2 weeks, the delivery time. And the delivery time for 40 feet container, it will take around 1 month. As you have seen, this is woven geotextile, so it is a woven production process. It is different from non-woven. The production capacity is around 1 to 2 tons per day. This is a bit slow. So the delivery time will take longer time. Woven geotextile. This will take a longer time. So if you have any orders, if you have any projects of the woven geotextile, we need to leave at least 2 months time for the delivery and shipping. At least 2 months or 1 month time for the delivery and shipping to catch your project schedule. For the non-woven geotextile, it is easy and fast. Just consider about the shipping time is enough. because our loading port is Qingdao port. It will take different time to different ports. Our clients are covering all over the world, and regularly the shipping time to those area countries will take 10 to 30 days. From Qingdao port to South American countries, it will take around 30 days to 40 days to 50 days. And from Qingdao port to African countries, it may take 30 days to 50 days or even longer time. And to Middle East countries, the shipping will take around 1 month too. So we need to consider about the delivery time first. Delivery time is 3 days or 1 week or 2 weeks or 2 months. And the shipping time will be 1 month or 2 months each. These all factors should be considered during your project schedule. So anyway, please contact us freely about your projects and about your questions about the non-woven geotextile and woven geotextile. Thanks for your time. This is Joy working for Shandong Jiajin Geosynthetics. I'm glad to introduce the non-woven geotextile and woven geotextile for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it here. You could email us too. Our website is www.earthshields.com. Please leave your messages on our website also okay. Thank you. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye. See you then.